I'm thrilled to be able to do this testimonial. My experience at Spine Aid has changed my life. When I came here, I had very little hope that anyone would be able to help me. And it makes me come to tears because I found out there is help out there. I've had a cervical fusion done in 1985, and have had poor results and have suffered ever since. My chronic neck pain had become so severe that it had affected the quality of my life. For my first visit with Dr. James and the staff, they knew right away what to do. They developed a plan. I started physical therapy. They did neurological testing. I had a pain management physician, and they did a nerve decompression. All of these things, I think combined, have really eased my pain and allowed me to live a much fuller life. The staff here are always cheerful. They're always caring and kind and professional. I don't know how I'll ever be able to thank them. Every morning when I got up, the first thing I grabbed, besides a cup of coffee, was my ice bag. And that ice bag went on my neck every morning until my neck was numb. Then I would get up and do the things I had to do for the day. I did it in pain, but I knew that things had to be done, and I was not going to allow my physical condition to control me. So I continued on with just the pain in my neck, my arm, my scapula. But when I started waking up in the morning with raging headaches, that I couldn't tolerate, and that drove me to find somebody who could help me. I had a Pearland newspaper, and there was an advertisement in there for the Spine Aid clinic. And what struck me was that they had all different departments that were going to be looking at you. They had a physical therapist here, they had a neurologist here, they had a chiropractor here, they had a physical therapist. It was just everything in one place. They don't give you pain medicine, which I have never taken because I know that it doesn't really work. It just makes you feel dumb, but the pain is always still there. So I've never gone that route other than ibuprofen. So coming in here, having everything in one place, having each entity talk to each other about my case and my progress and formulate a plan that was for me. It wasn't that I walked in a doctor's office, they did an MRI, they saw that I had 3 herniated discs, and they sent me to surgery, because surgery was not something I want to look at again. So, I just find this place to be a miracle. And the way medicine should be done, it should be done as a collaboration between departments to take care of an individual, not just someone who has neck pain. And I'll never be able to thank them enough for giving me my life back. All of these things, I think combined, have really eased my pain and allowed me to live a much fuller life. The staff here are always cheerful. They're always caring and kind and professional. I don't know how I'll ever be able to thank them.